What's up guys, Prince of Macedon here, and I'm going to show you something I got all the way from South Korea. Let's take it out of the box. I paid a pretty penny to get this from Korea, but I think it's going to be worth it though. It says, what did this say? The N Vision 74 is something, something, something. I'm sure it's really epic. So let's take this out of this box. All right. I like the packaging on this. So here it is. Oh, you know what? I should have brought a screwdriver because I don't have any way of taking this out of off the platform. Oh wait, I think there's something down here. Let's take it out. Okay, let's remove this makeshift wrapping here. It looks like the guy who sent this to me had taken it out of the box at one point. That's fun, because there's no other way to get this. So I'm hoping this thing on the bottom is the screwdriver so I can use it to take this off the platform. All right. Oh, you know what? This might just be one of those things where I can use it to open the doors. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's more for the door. Yeah. That's cool. This thing is taped right here. Man, I was gonna put this on the spinner. You know, I probably still could put it on the spinner, but I'll probably make a separate video. But yeah, there's stickers on these doors or tape so that during shipping it doesn't swing open. Cool. Yeah, there's actually a cover on this, but I thought the windows looked a little foggy, but I'm glad to hear that it's because this was on. Oh, there you go, perfect. There you go. So let's show you what opens on here. Oh, I hope I was supposed to be able to do that. Does this open? Yes. This does come open. Oh, guess what? Because I didn't bring my screwdriver, I can't open this compartment. That's where you put the batteries in to power the lights. Oops. Yeah, I'm not in my town right now. I'm actually in Gainesville, gonna watch the football game. I thought I could make this video while waiting for the game to start. I gotta put this thing back on. Hopefully I can put it back on. That was weird how it just kind of popped off. There you go. Oh yeah, these doors open. Oh yeah, maybe I should use this thing. I've never actually used this before. I'll just do it like this. I feel like if I use this, it's gonna freaking scratch it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look inside, guys. God, I hate that I didn't bring my screwdriver. I am so unprepared for this. You can kind of see inside. Let's open the other door. Whoa! I almost smashed or ripped the door off. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, because I didn't bring everything, like my screwdriver, my batteries for this, I'm gonna make a separate video. This is really just be like an unboxing video for this. Oh yeah, this should open, I think. Man, if I can't get this open, I'll do it for the next video for this. You would think this would open. Can I use this? I don't know how to. I've never used one of these things to open. Yeah, I'm not gonna force that. Yeah, there's some windshield or window wipers. This is cool. The wheels do turn. Oh yeah, if you look at the steering wheel, you can see the steering wheel turning with the wheel when I turn it. See that? So yeah, I can totally take this off the display later. Wait, why is this turning like that? But yeah, I'll take this off the display piece later, and then I'll make a separate video where I put this on the spinner. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, this is like my favorite car right now. Like I'm typically 70s, late 60s American muscle, but for modern times, this thing really captures the imagination. It looks like Gosh, it looks like a sci-fi car. It's got that cyberpunk feel or look to it. It's beautiful. I have an RC car version of this, by the way, which I also got from South Korea. Yeah, I paid a pretty penny for this. I think the retail value for this is like $400. Let's just say I paid a lot more than that to get this. Let's see what's on the bottom here. That's the screw and stuff. Okay. Well, is there more tape? Nope. Look at that. That's where you feel the hydrogen power cells. This is freaking cool. Oh yeah, 74. It's based off of the 74 Hyundai Pony Coupe concept car, which ironically, the DeLorean that we see in Back to the Future was modeled after the concept car. And then both this and the DeLorean were modeled after that concept car. I like the way that these guys came up with their design, although these guys had a bit more time to think of their design. But I definitely think it looks better than the DeLorean. Although I think the DeLorean's iconic because it came out such a long time ago. And it's got this really cool scissor doors. Oh, sorry, the butterfly doors. Yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, don't worry guys, I'm gonna make a separate video for this where I put it on the spinner properly and I turn all the lights on for you guys. This is like an initial video. But yeah, I'm also gonna take it off of this display so that I can put it out, you know?